Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mansoor Bilal and you're watching CGH Tutors. In today's topic, I will tell you about little bit about Upwork. This website is basically people are using this for earning source. There are a ton of projects related to website designing and graphic designing, video editing, all kind of IT related services are there, and people are earning ton of money from this website. So today I decided to give you an overview of this website, and I hope this will help you a lot. First of all, this is the Upwork layout. This is my profile. You can see I never touched this website from very long. You can see last two jobs I did in November 2014 and October 2014, and after that, after a long time, right now I decided to use this website and use other earning sources online. Different people are using different earning sources from online, so I decided to come back on these websites and start some kind of extra earning that will help me out to make my financial circle more bigger. So here is a thing. Actually, I'm not gonna tell you how you can make a profile on it, but definitely I'm gonna tell you that how you can find your desired job and you can send a proposal to a specific client that actually matches your requirement, and you also matches his requirement. So finding job is very easy because I am a 3D artist, so I will put some kind of words like 3D modeling. I love 3D modeling, and I found 3D modeling very easy. Maybe it's difficult for the other persons who are not good at modeling, but for me it's not a big deal. I can model almost anything, any type of objects, like either it's organic or it's a hard surface modeling. I can do both comfortably. So I searched out 3D modeling, and here some kind of results are coming. CAD drafting, architectural 3D modeling, voiceover. What kind of video are you scattering in a laser scanning solution, but finding the right company can different 3D laser scanning in a solution. This job is not for me. 3D Max detailing modeling. This is what I'm looking for almost. This job is posted 1 hour ago and less than 10 hour, and he never mentioned the budget. I'm gonna open this job and see what client wants from the freelancers. I need someone to model this handrail. Okay, I will provide you stairs model. I need a non-destructive linear model workflow keeping all used modifier. Company, this is the project within my visualization company that I am establishing at the moment, meaning I am trying to further hiring. Please tell me if you are able to do, how much time it will take, and your quote. 3D Max and pictures of rails are attached. Please also send me your detailed modeling in 3D Max portfolio, not rendering portfolio. I am looking for someone who cares about details and speed of the workflow. So if I want to apply on this job, here are some details. You can see posted 1 hour ago. It's mean the client posted this job 1 hour ago. Here you will find the only 5 people approached this, less than 5. It's mean maybe 2 or 3 persons sent a proposal to this client. Interviewing, this client is not interviewing to anyone. Invite sends, this client never sent invitation to anyone. Unanswered invitation, if anyone invited this client, so he never answered that. Job success score at least 90%. It's mean it's a reliable client. It mostly posts jobs and hires someone to do that. Here come the client history. Reviews, he never gave reviewed. He's from Egypt, Alexandria. Job posted 1 and 1 job is open, that is this job, and he total spent $0 till now. Member since February 2018. It seems to me like this client is quite new in Upwork, and there is a risk involved by sending this client to a proposal, because every proposal will mostly it will take 2 connects. When you make an account on Upwork, they will give you 60 connects, and each proposal will take 2 connects out of 60 connects. It's mean 48 connects are remaining and I need to send a proposal for this, and that proposal will take 2 connects. So it means my remaining connects will be 46 connects, and this client is new, so I'm not gonna send any proposal to this, but I will show you by submitting a proposal. Click on submit a proposal. So it will take you to another page where you will see more details, connects details and all that. So it is telling you that this proposal required 2 connects. When you submit a proposal, you will have 46 connects remaining. Your connects reset on April 13. It's mean in April 13, Upwork will renew my proposal and it will give me 60 proposals, 60 connects. Proposals and connects are the same thing, so you don't need to confuse about both of them. Okay, what is amount you would like to bid for this job? Your profile rate, I mentioned in my profile rate, if anyone hires me, so I will charge $10 for an hour, and it is giving me the rate tip. Like if someone else doing proposal, if someone else sending proposal to this client and their average rate is $17 per hour. Hourly rate, here I will mention my rate, like how much I will charge for 1 hour. So I will say $15, 20% Upwork will deduct as a fee, and my remaining amount will be $12 per hour. Here is a cover letter. Here you can mention why you are the best freelancer for this job and why he assigned you this project. So here you can put a brief introduction and why you want this job and why he will give you this job. Here you can mention anything, your portfolio link and your all that kind of stuff you can put here. And what about this? How would you model this rail briefly? Please specify definite steps. It's mean he put it a question mark in front of you that how you gonna model this and what would be the steps. So you need to mention that I'm going through these steps and I will model like this. So here mostly you will not find this line from every job. It's based on the client. If he wants some kind of question into the job description, then he can put. Mostly you will see the cover letter and that's it. Here are some attachments. If you want any attachment of your proposal or any work that you never uploaded to this website, or it's in your computer and hard drive, so you can attach that. And that's it to submit a proposal. That's all guys. With this way you can send proposal to any client in Upwork. So that's all. Thank you guys for watching my tutorial. I hope you will like this video and I hope you subscribe my channel, and please hit the bell icon so you will get notifications when I will upload new videos, and make sure you subscribe. Thank you and Allah Hafiz. Inshallah I will upload next videos very soon.